Welcome to Fishbowl University and this ShipStation plugin overview. First I'll show you how to set up ShipStation, and then I'll show you the 3 operations you can do with it within Fishbowl. So first you'll come and you'll click on the Settings button, and here you'll enter your API key and API secret, which you can get from your ShipStation account, and click Save. And the first time you do this, you'll need to exit your Fishbowl client and launch it again in order to activate all the other buttons. Second, click the Carriers button, which imports the carriers and syncs them between Fishbowl and ShipStation. And then click on the Tools menu, Module Options, and you'll need to at least select any address from your company module that you want to ship from. And if you want to enter your ShipStation username and password here, it will save it so you don't have to log in separately. And then there are a few other options, adding an S to your ShipStation orders, using the product number for SKU, using a residential address for quotes, and to fail if it's missing a state code. So save those. And then we're ready for the first of our 3 operations, which is to export orders from Fishbowl into ShipStation. The orders that will get exported are the ones that are open in the shipping module, like these 2 here, and also which do not have a ShipStation ID here on the custom field right there. After we export it, it will return a ShipStation ID right there. So if we go here, then first thing you'll need to do is click the down arrow and change the settings and turn on this active check mark, and then set a setting for how frequently you would like to export your orders. One thing to take into consideration here is that, remember, in Fishbowl, as soon as you have picked one item from an order, it creates a shipment. So theoretically you could ship an order with only that one item. So what you want to avoid is running this order export while you're picking, just in case it creates a shipment with your first half of your items and then a second shipment with the other items on it. If that ever happens, all you need to do is come into shipping again, open up that order, and delete out this ShipStation shipment ID. That way the system will think it has not been sent over, and next time it exports, it'll go to ShipStation, it'll match it up with the 2 orders existing there, and collapse them into a single order. So let's go ahead and export our orders. And now it's been added to our export queue, which you could see here in the schedule module if you like. And you see it has run successfully. This main area here is basically just a web browser. So you can log in here with your ShipStation login username and password. And here you can see everything you can do in ShipStation. So you can use ShipStation obviously separately as well. You don't need the Fishbowl client, but here you can view all that information here. Once you've shipped your items, printed your label in ShipStation, then they're ready to be imported back into Fishbowl. And for that you click the Shipments button. So let's click the down arrow and change these settings. We'll activate this sync, and you can set your frequency that you'd like for that as well. Click Save, and now you can either just let it run on its schedule, or you can come and manually click the Shipments button. Theoretically, this makes the shipping module more or less unnecessary, so you don't have to use it, but it's perfectly okay to use both of them. For example, if you have an order and you mark it as shipped here in Fishbowl, once again it will not export to ShipStation because it doesn't meet the criteria of being unshipped and having a blank ShipStation ID, which if I refresh, there you can see it's been imported. The third functionality which ShipStation plugin adds happens in the sales order module. So we'll go here, load up one of these orders, and you'll see we have this Ship Quote button. So if I click that, it will retrieve all of the shipping quotes available from the services I have set up in my ShipStation account. So I can select one of these, click OK, and now it both adds the shipping line item to my order and it sets the carrier and the service. This step also validates the ship-to address, so if you need to, you can edit that here to correct any errors. This concludes our overview of the ShipStation plugin, which is a great choice if you need a robust shipping solution which can batch ship and has other advanced shipping options.